division of a fraction, division of a fraction by a whole number. In the previous classes, we discussed about the multiplication of a fraction by a whole number and multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Like that, we have to solve the problems on division of a fraction by a whole number and division of a fraction by a fraction. Okay, children. Up to now, we see divisions like whole number divided by whole number, 6 divided by 3. Or 220 divided by 5, like that whole number divided by whole number we saw. Now from now we also discussed about whole fraction, division of a fraction by a whole number. See, 4 by 5 divided by 3. I am taking an example. It is a fraction number. It is a fraction number. 4 by 5 divided by 3. 3 is a whole number. Okay. I am representing it on a figure 4 in 5 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 5 parts are there. Total 5 parts. We have to take only 4 parts. So I am taking 4 parts now. I am shading these 4 parts. This is the representation of 4 by 5. Here I am taking 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and total 5 parts I am taking 4 parts. In total 5 parts I am taking 4 parts only. 1, 2, 3, 4 I am taking 4 parts only. Now 4 by 5 divided by 3, how to represent it? See here. Total 5 parts. And I am taking in the 4 parts. In this, I am dividing this 4 by 5. I am dividing this 4 by 5 with 3 by 3. So 3 parts. Okay. This is the representation of 4 by 5 divided by 3. Okay, children, this is the representation of 4 by 5 divided by 3. And the main thing about this divisions is fractional with a whole number is the reciprocal of the divisor. We have to multiply the division of a fraction number with a whole number is same as the multiplication of that fraction with the reciprocal of the divisor. Here, what is the divisor? 3 is the divisor. This is the divisor. Okay, children, this is dividend. 4 by 5 is dividend and 3 is divisor. Okay, see here, carefully listen. The division of a fraction by a whole number is same as the multiplication of the fraction with the inverse of divisor. Multiplication of fractions with the inverse of divisor. Okay, children, see, I am writing now. See here, children, dividing a fraction by a whole number. Dividing a fraction by a whole number is same as the multiplying the fraction. We have to multiply with this fraction by the reciprocal of the divisor. So we have to take the reciprocal of the divisor and then multiply it with the fraction. See here, reciprocal means, what is reciprocal? Reciprocal means numerator becomes denominator. Numerator becomes denominator and the denominator becomes numerator. See here, reciprocal of 3 by 4 is, reciprocal of 3 by 4 is, 4 is the denominator here, so 4 becomes numerator and 3 becomes denominator. So it is 4 by 3. It is reversed. Reciprocal means reversed. Okay. So the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. If there is nothing in the denominator, we can take it as 1 is in the denominator. 1 is in the denominator. We can represent the whole number as 1 in the denominator. Okay, so it is reversed. 1 becomes numerator and 3 becomes numerator. Denominator 3 becomes denominator, so it becomes 1 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Now multiply 4 by 5 with 1 by 3. We get now 4 into 1 divided by 5 into 3. 4 by 15 is the answer. Okay children, like that we have to solve the problems. Here remember this point, very important point. Dividing a fraction by a whole number is same as the multiplying the fraction by the reciprocal of the divisor. It is very important point and will be very useful in the future also. Okay, see here dividing means multiplying the fraction by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay children. Okay children, see here some example problems. 2 by 3 is divided by 7. Here a fraction which is divided by a whole number. So take the reciprocal of the 7 here. So reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. Because here 1 is there, so 1 is numerator becomes numerator and 7 becomes denominator. It becomes 1 by 7 is the reciprocal of 7. Now multiplying 2 by 3 with the reciprocal of the 7. So multiply these two now. So numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 2 answer 2 by 3 answer 21. It becomes 2 by 21. If we divide 2 by 3 divided by 7, so the answer is 2 by 21. Okay children? See here mixed fraction is given, so convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 3s we have to multiply these two now and then add this one. So 7 3s 7 5s 35. 35 plus 3, 38 divided by 5 divided by 8. So now write the reciprocal of 8. Reciprocal of 8 is 1 by 8. Okay children, reciprocal of 8 is 1 by 8. Now multiply the fraction with the reciprocal of divisor. So the fraction is 38 by 5 and the reciprocal of the divisor is 1 by 8. It becomes 38 into 1 by 5 into 8. 38 1 is 38 and 5 is 40. So if you divide 7 3 by 5 divided by 8, so then the answer is 38 by 40. Okay, now see this. It is also a mixed fraction. Convert this into improper fraction now. So 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 4, 40 divided 40 by 9 divided by 50. Now write the reciprocal of 50. Reciprocal of 50 is 1 by 50. Okay children, now multiply 40 by 9 with the reciprocal of divisor. The reciprocal of divisor is 1 by 50. So 40 into 1 divided by 9 into 50. See here, it is a multiple of 10. 10 4s are 40. In 10 table it is 4 times and in 10 table it is 5 times. So 4 into 1 divided by 9 into 5. 4 1s are 4 divided by 9 5s are 5. Okay children, if you divide 4 by 9 divided by 50, then the answer is 4 by 45. Okay children. Okay children, do these divisions as homework. Thank you children. Bye.